Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your blood pressure history on WITHINGS BPM Core. If you've taken your blood pressure tests, you can see the history of those tests. To do it, you may need to scroll down until you find blood pressure in the home app of the WITHINGS app. Now, you should go to blood pressure and you'll see different days. You can see today I've taken 4 measurements because I'm recording videos, you know. But you'll have different days marked here. And then you'll see your different values, right? You'll see the systolic average, diastolic average, your highest value, lowest value, and whatever. Then also it is quite important that if you have more months here, you can slide between them or just click between them with like arrows. You can find the year. Yeah, there's this year, last year, or week, and you can find this week or like previous weeks if you have previous weeks as well. And when you click on a certain day, you can click on the arrow so you can see more about that day. For example, that today at 11:13 p.m. I had these measurements, so like my systolic was about in between the normal and high, but more normal, and my diastolic was a little bit high. And there's also heart rate. I can click here and see actually some classification to understand everything here. So yeah, that is basically what it is here. Yeah, and I can also slide between different measurements here to actually understand them a bit more. And that is about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.